Yeah, no, get a picture of this one, look. And that one. Can't even see because of the sun. Hold them a minute back, quick. Matthew, look these. These, look. Hold them. I'm trying to hold the camera here, for you. Let me know. A lot of people come out to see the trains, don't they? Yeah? You ready then? My guess is it'll come from that way.
Come in.
Keep your eye out and have a look. Hey?
No, I'm boy.
There's no red light on the barriers, look. You show me.
There is, look.
Where? Oh yeah, yes it is.
What's the weakest barrier?
Things I do for you, Matthew. Which train did Steve get? What?
So Steve comes that way.
Yeah, it's coming this way. What do they call the train, Steve? Get Trans-Pennine Express? Well, soon. And this is one coming now, look. Oh, there's another one coming by, looks of it.
Yeah.
Oh, we're lucky today.
Yeah, lucky. Oh, lucky. Alien. This time it'll be going a different way.
Yeah, it's coming now. You can see it from here. See it over there, look. Over there, look. See it?
Oh yeah, I can see it. We're going to be walking across in a minute.
Smile for the camera. Smile. Smile for the camera. The camera, not this one. This one. Watch your head when this barrier lifts, Matt. There it is now, watch. Matt? Yeah.
What's the trash then?
Alright. Big lights. Alright, do your big lights up there. Come round in the middle. You're alright, you're safe. Come on. Into here, where here, come here. Do it up there, look. On your camera. Oh, you're doing it and I'm doing it. I don't know which way it's coming from. Is it all recording on yours?
It's all recording.
Yeah. Make sure you get the train when it goes by. Enjoying this?
Yeah.
Which way is it coming?
From the witch.
Oh, it's coming this way. This way, get ready. This way. That's it. Get ready. Point it to the train and then go by with it. Oh, back with the Northern train.
Okay, then.
Oh. Oh, we've got another one coming then. Haven't we been lucky?
Yeah, been lucky.
Stand back a bit this time, man. Come here then. I'm where I am. Off the camera.
Did it then?
Can you go it? Stand back a little bit, Matt. Where I am. Come in here, Matt. Here, look. I've got it on here, so... Yeah, I've got it on here. Get it quick. Come in. I've got it on here. I've got it on here.